Hi guys, just thought I'd post up a quick video. Look at the state of these. Look at this. Look how bad these are. Look how bad a state these are in. These, obviously it's torn around the pocket and then it's just gone whoosh all the way down. Absolutely massive repair needed. But we're going to do it for him. They're his favourite pair of jeans, and we're still going to do a decent repair for him. I'm going to be carefully removing all these nasty threads that have come apart from the ripping process. Get rid of all the white ones as well. We'll be putting some new fabric on the inside, and then carefully, colour selection, and then doing some over sewing Denim work to the top areas to blend it in, and it will come out okay. Obviously, with such a massive rip, it's never going to be perfect, but we will do a very good job on making them wearable again and durable again. So you can get some use out of them getting worn again. I will be posting some before and after pictures on my Instagram page and on the blog, on the Denim Doctor blog as well. So if you want to see the before and after shots in pictures, then check it out, and yeah, it'll give you a good idea of what I can do on the restoration front. If you've got any questions, it's michael@denimdoctor.co.uk on the email, and on the website it's www.thedenimdoctor.co.uk. Yeah, these are a pair. They're not that expensive jeans, they're only top man jeans, but they fit him really well, and he can't get them this season. They're only from last year, so he wants them repairing. So yeah, happy days, another job for me to get cracking with. Yeah, so hope you all have a great day, people, and thank you for watching. Thank you, take care, bye bye.